America by satellite across the Atlantic in 1962, but the link across the Pacific was not completed until 1966. This evening, by using satellites, microwaves, and landlines, we will link Europe with Africa, Asia, Australia, and America.
His YouTube channel, no relation to me, made when he started to research the flat earth theory. He decided to go down to his local library and see what he could find, and he found over 100 articles in the microfiche of the old newspapers. So I'm going to read this out and I hope you enjoy. This first one is from the Evening Telegraph, Monday, November 21st, 1921. Earth flat and the sun very small. Revolutionary theories taught in US schools. Ice barrier to keep mariners from falling off world. Revolutionary theories of a flat world and the absence of gravitation is being taught at the high schools of Zion, Illinois, USA, by order of the state's Board of Education. The new course of study teaches that the Earth is a flat circular world with a North Pole in the exact center, no South Pole, and surrounded by a wall of ice which keeps venturesome mariners from falling off the rim. It is also taught that the Earth has no motion and remains stationary in space, and that the Sun is not millions of miles in diameter and 91 million miles away, but it is really a little orb 32 miles across and only 3,000 miles from the Earth. The law of gravitation is held to be a fallacy by the State Board of Education, and Mr. Wilbur Glenn Voliver, its president, says that when objects are thrown into the air, they continue to rise until the force which propels them is expended, and then fall back to the earth because they are heavier than air. A special kind of map is used in the schools to demonstrate the flat world theory, and it shows that the Earth as it would look to an observer directly above the North Pole, with the continents and seas projected onto a flat plane. As a result, the North Pole is in the center, and instead of a South Pole, the Antarctic regions are indicated by a white ring around the outer circumference of the circle. This ring, according to Mr. Voliver, is the ice barrier which keeps the mariners from falling off the edge of his